Hi, this is a video to show the improvement or some modification before I did in actually I did in the third week and the second week. Before that, I want to show this in some image, show some images instead of a video. However, I found that it's easier to use video because I can upload the image to the wiki. So first we need to still start server and go to the localhost. This version is what we did before the second week, and it's mainly the work I did in holiday. Look at localhost. It's a design quiz. It's in the whole page. And we do some function. For example, we change the quiz ID, go to choice numbers, and submit it. We'll see it's still displayed in the whole page. And go to the student quiz. Submit one. It will show all the questions, and we, for example, click one. Yeah, it will show some result of the quiz. The green means you give the right answer, the white means you give the wrong answer. We'll go back in, and what I modified is actually in this folder, maybe in this folder, fifth folder. We change the path, go to the fifth, and server started again. And this time we go to the lecture quiz bottomless. Quiz bottom, yeah. After that, what I do this mainly in third week is to put it in overlap, and what I've done is still submit it and so show in overlap. Yeah, improvement is job is not quite huge, but the main job is to study on how to use overlap. It's mainly difficult to do that. It's still logging. We can see the overlaps that it shows all question in a part of the screen. Actually, because it's actually what's the team requirement or the customer's requirements, because he wanted quiz may be displayed at the same time the students can see what happened below the quiz. For example, what's in the lecture and something like that. The customer wants all things in the same page. So that's basically what I did in this week. Hi, this is a screen video to show how to use a quiz module, which I developed during the last period of time. It's also kind of the show of what I have done. The first, we need to set up a server on my laptop. So I use Moodle. Click the button here and stop server. When I start the servers, we can go to the localhost, and the first one we need to see is the lectures bottoms. We can see there's a bottom here. The whole module is the whole quiz module is started from this bottom, and why I need to make a bottom is because as my teammates will need to integrate the quiz module to the main page. If it is the bottom, my teammate can put it at any position he likes in the main page. So we click the design quiz. We can see there are three options here. It's add questions, edit questions, or delete questions. First, we will see the add question. We can see there are a lot of characters here. The first is the quiz ID. Because a lecturer may maintain several versions of quiz, and maybe each time he will not display all questions, maybe just a part of part of questions, some questions. So this quiz ID is for the maybe which quiz he wants. Maybe we can say set the quiz ID to 2. So we now add a question to the second quiz. The question maybe, what is the season now? And the first one is spring. This is a choice. Second choice, summer. And the third choice, autumn. Finally, winter. And there are 4 choices here, so the choice number is 4. So there are 4 choices here. And if we click the bottom here, the checkbox here, means this choice is the right answer. We can choose several choice. We can get several right choice. For example, we click choice 1, choice 2, which means that choice 1 and both choice 1 and choice 2 are the right answer. But this time we click just a choice 1, and then we submit it. Here's a confirmation of what we have done, and we close it. Remember that this is a question in quiz 2, and we close it. Now we go to the students quiz. Student log quiz here. This is the button for student to use. We can click it. The first is a quiz ID, which quiz the students want to view. So we add a question to quiz 2 before. So we see the quiz 2 and submit it. We can see that there are 2 questions here. This question, what is the season now, is actually what we have added to the quiz. And this one is a question added before. If we click spring, this is the right answer, and submit it. We can see that a question with right choices will be labeled green, and the wrong questions, question with wrong choices will be labeled white. Let us try it again. And if we click to these bottoms, and it is labeled green now, it means students give the wrong answer. It's very similar with what we did in quiz. Then let us see another quiz. This time we will not see the second quiz. We need to see maybe the first quiz. We can see there are 3 questions, another 3 questions in quiz 1. It's totally different from the quiz 2. So with this function that lecture can maintain several quizzes at the same time. Let us close it and see some other functions of lecture quiz. Get back to the lecture button. This time we will not see the first time we see the add questions, and now we need to see, I will show you how to use edit questions. We can get the question we want by select quiz ID again. Let's select quiz 2 and submit it. We can see there are 2 questions. Only the question is shown here. The choices will not be shared here, and the second question, what is the season now, is the one we added before, and we edit it again. Click here and submit. We can see all the details of the question is displayed here, and this time maybe I want to change the right choice, maybe choice 2 and the summer, and get some other description of the hot summer, and what is season now, and what is season next, and we do some modification here and submit it. Edit success means that it is the data is added. We go back in and go to the student quiz and go to the quiz 2, submit it. We can see the question is actually added. What is the season next? And the right answer this time is hot summer. We can see that summer is also changed. We click B and it's right. If we click A this time, we choose A this time, we can see that's wrong. So all details of this question has been added. Go back to the delete questions. Delete questions. Still delete questions, go to quiz 2, submit, and what is the season next? We delete it, submit it, and it will be deleted. Close it, and we go back to student quiz again. We are not supposed to see the quiz question again. Go to quiz 2. So this time there are only one question here. So that's all we have done in the quiz module, that a lecturer can edit questions, can edit questions and delete questions, and a student can view all questions with different quiz and choose and answer the questions, get the right choices. That's basically what quiz do, and some other part of the interface. And finally, I want to show you the database we contain the date of the questions. We use XML file to save the details. You can see that first is and the quiz. Each question have a attribute called ID. It's quiz ID. And the questions quantity. The quantity is how many choices are there in the choice, and each choice is the right answer. Answer is the right answer, and that's all. We can see that all quizzes with whatever questions with different quiz ID are all saved in one XML file. So it's easier to manage it in the database. That's basically what